Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Binance deposits suspended. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Binance deposit is suspended, it usually means Binance temporarily halted deposits for that specific cryptocurrency or network. In order to fix Binance deposit suspended, what you need to do is check official announcements. So visit Binance announcements page and search for deposit suspension alert related to your coin or network, and you can also deposits check for maintenance, network congestion, and upgrade or issues. Then you can confirm the correct network by making sure you are sending deposits on the supported network Binance has enabled for deposits. Binance sometimes suspend one network but not for others for the same coin. You can check the deposit page for active networks listed. Wait for Binance to resume deposits as well. Deposits resume once maintenance or issues are resolved. Binance usually announces expected time or updates on progress of its sending deposits during suspension. They may be lost or delayed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.